So I'm going to look more on Xpeng, which I really like.
They say it will be the most popular electric car in Belgium.
It's even achieving more than I expected, especially the fast charging.
Chinese OEMs have a pretty advanced technology when it comes to all the sort of IT features.
The feel of the Xpeng is very luxurious and well built, so range, but not only range, charging speed is very important as well. Actually, I would probably rate that as the most important feature, and that's one of the reasons that I like Xpeng a lot.
We bring some newness. Designs are different software capabilities, different charging capabilities, performance overall. We generally bring quite high quality, high value. That's what really is recognized by the consumers.
Я к этому отношусь хорошо, потому что это очень полезно для нашей экологии. В мире она сейчас, не супер хорошая. Даже в той же самой Финляндии воздух очень сильно загрязнен.
Šia prasme, manyčiau, turėtų būti ir kainos, ir kokybės tas santykis geresnis.
It would be the same kind of money, but you would get so much more equipment or mileage out of the car. So they definitely look futuristic, but they also have such a high grade of luxury inside, especially if you kind of like tech. You got like a movie sphere in some of the cars.
I see electric vehicles more as a technological product, more than just a car. And we all know that a lot of technology is developed in China. So I see them being a major player in this EV market.
The consumers expect a high level of tech and advanced features, something that EVs and our products in particular has a really strong offering in that regard.
Companiile chineze de vehicule electrice au obținut calitate înaltă și prețuri rezonabile prin valorificarea progreselor tehnologice și a inovației, scăderea costurilor și îmbunătățirea calității generale, ceea ce a câștigat favoarea consumatorilor.
Arsyet kryesore të kësaj dukurie janë cilësia e lartë dhe çmimi i përshtatshëm i makinave kineze, duke ofruar paralelisht një vlerë përdorimi të pakrahasueshme për klientët për shkak të karakteristikave dhe opsioneve që këto makina ofrojnë. Kjo ka ardhur për shkak të kryeshmërisë, teknologjisë inovative dhe standardeve që përdorin kompanitë kineze dhe aftësisë së tyre për të ndërkombëtarizuar shpejt dhe me efikasitet.
Didžiausia problema turbūt yra garantijos aptarnavimas.
Delivering parts and what the political situation is and because I'm concerned about that.
The most problematic matter about electric cars here in Nordic countries is the battery.
Manau, kad Lietuvoje nėra iki galo išvystytas pakrovimo stotelių tinklas, kad būtų